which is median, quartiles, percentiles, range, and interquartile range. Now, we are going to talk about two kinds of value. Discrete. Discrete means you are given the individual data itself. For example, you can have like 15, 17, 17, 18, 20, 21, that kind of data. Understand? Or you can have continuous. Continuous means they give you the cumulative frequency curve. Okay? And you're supposed to calculate all these from the cumulative frequency curve. Is that well? Understand? Okay, now, for today, right, I will just do this one first. This one, I will do it another day. That means the next lesson. Is that understood? Okay, now, let's go to discrete data first. Alright? Can we all now turn to page 89? Page 89. Alright? Now, I want you to take these notes down in your notebook. If not, you are in trouble, okay? I want you to take these notes down in your notebook, okay? So that you can understand what I'm saying. Alright? Okay, I'm going to off this one. Okay. All of you look at what? If I have, can you write down that discrete? If I have odd number of values, okay, all of you draw this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is the odd number, right? Correct? Okay. Now, 7 values. Where is the middle position? 4th, right? So 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one will give me the median. That's why it's in the middle. Understand? Now, can you see the median will divide this into two parts? This part and this part. Can you see? Now, this part got how many? 3. This is in the middle, correct? This one is the lower quartile. Okay? You look at this set. This is also in the middle, right? This is called the upper quartile. Understand? Now, if you go to the continuous one, median will mean 50% of the total number. Lower quartile will mean 25%. Upper quartile will be what? 75%. Is that clear? Okay, then there are 2 more terms. What is the meaning of range? Range means maximum value minus minimum value. That is the range. What is the interquartile range? Interquartile range will be upper quartile minus lower quartile. That's the interquartile range. Understand? Can or cannot? Cannot? Okay, now, what's the meaning of this? First of all, there's another name to all this. Okay? First of all, you learn the terminology. Lower quartile can also be called the first quartile. Median is actually called the second quartile, and upper quartile is called the third quartile. But usually we don't call it. But you must also know that first quartile is the lower quartile, second quartile is median, third quartile is upper quartile. Understand? Usually for our case, we'll just use lower and upper quartile, but you must know the equivalent. Is that understood? Okay. When we talk about 2 sets of values, we are comparing. If we say which one, let's say, is Okay. Now, if you want to say the distribution, that means how consistent or how widespread is the thing, we look at interquartile range. If the interquartile range is small, that means the results are very consistent. If the interquartile range is big, that means the results are not so consistent. Understand? Okay, repeat again. Another way to say it is, if the interquartile range is small, we can also say that the spread is smaller. If the interquartile range is large, we can say that the spread is wider. Understand now? Yes or no? Okay, good. Now, this is where it is odd. Odd, case 1. This is case 1 for odd. Have you taken this now already? Yes or no? Okay, now I'm going to give you odd number case 2. It's still odd. Odd number case 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 got 9 values. It's 9 and odd. Yes. What's the middle position? 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this guy is my median. Correct? All of you know. Then I'm dealing with this group and this group, right? Can you see? Now, how would I find my lower quartile? Can you see lower quartile now got 2 middle values? Can you see it? Lower quartile now got 2 middle, because now got 4 now. Right? So it must be the second and third divide by 2, right? So how do I get the lower quartile? This plus this divided by 2, then this will give you the lower quartile. Is that clear? Because there are 2 middle values. How about the upper quartile? Also this. Then this will give me the upper quartile. Is that clear? So for odd values, there are 2 cases. Are we clear? Can or cannot? Cannot. So what's the moral of the story? You got to count. Understand? When you say split, you got to count. When it is given in a continuous like cumulative frequency, then we don't have to count. We just calculate and read off. I will do it when I do the cumulative frequency curve. Okay? Alright, now we go on to even. Even numbers. Okay? I want you to take down even numbers. There are 2 cases now. For even, yes. Up to even 2. Okay. Now, how many data sets are there if I have this amount of circles? There are 10, right? There are 10 data, am I right? 10 means even, right? There are 2 middle values. What are they? 5 and 6. Okay, all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 6. That means my median is this plus this divided by 2, right?
That's 4.
I probably 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrong. Okay, doesn't matter. Probably, So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So these 2, right? Maybe that means our class, the values. 8 values, where's my middle value? Now you very clever, you must tell me. 8 values, where are the middle positions? 4 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these two, right? This will be my middle. So this is my middle position, am I right? Now, can you tell me how many data sets here? Wait, how many here? 4. This side? Also 4. How to get my lower quartile? I must add and divide by 2 again, right? So, how to get my lower quartile? These two. This will be my lower quartile, correct? Because it's in the middle. Then these two will be my lower quartile. Are you clear? Are you clear now? Can you see it now? So, odd got 2 case, even also got 2 case. So you have to be very, very careful. Are you all clear? Kimberly, may I know why you're laughing now? Quota range very funny, is it? I never see people study maths until they laugh. That means you must be either enjoying or something is wrong with you. But if you walk along the streets, right, and you don't laugh on you, if you walk along the street, someone start to laugh, right, you run away from the person, right? You're scared, right? You're lucky, Sid and Zayden never run away. I said, I also never run away, I'm scared. Understand? I cannot imagine people look at the book. Interquartile ratio, I don't like it. You must tell me you enjoy maths, then I believe you, but I don't think you do. Understand? Because you don't show that enthusiasm. So don't laugh unnecessarily, especially when you are alone. It scares people. Do you understand? Especially BCR. If I run away, nobody will tell you where is the median. Understand? Okay? So are we clear about all this? Can or cannot? Can. Okay. Now I want you to turn your text to page 89. Can you see? They say discrete. Then they tell you about first quartile, second quartile, third quartile. Now I told you before, first quartile is the name for lower quartile. Second quartile is the name for what? Median. Third quartile is the name for what? Upper quartile. Okay? Alright. Now, next, I need to show you something that is very, very important. Now, can we look at this data set? Okay, just a minute. You all turn to page 90. Page 90. Okay. I want to see if it shows. Page 90, because this is the important one that I need to see. No diarrhea. No, coming out. I'm going to show you with this set of data that is having somewhat the same thing, but actually not really the same. Okay? Okay. Is it coming up? Coming up. Can all of you look at this particular set on page 19? I'm going to make it bigger. Okay. Now I want you to look at data set A. 2, so on and so forth, right? 2, so on and so forth. Okay? Can you see it? Okay, but where did this come from? Alright, where did this come from? Okay, can all of you look at this one? This set of data. Can you see it's already arranged in ascending order? Can you see it's already arranged in ascending order? Okay, now I'm going to do something here. How many values are minus 2. Answer 28. What's my lower quartile? 6, right? No. This is the median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's only this one. Can you see it? So what's the lower quartile? Will be 6. What's my upper quartile? Upper quartile will be 20. What's the interquartile range? 20 minus 6, right? Upper minus lower. Answer? 14. Can you see? Everybody okay? Alright, good. Now, next, I'm going to show you another data set. Okay? Can all of you now look at this data set? This one. This one. Okay. Can you see it's again arranged in ascending order? How many values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Still 11, So where's the middle position? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So do you see this one? For data set B, median is still 9. What's the range? 30 minus 2, which is still 38. Can you see? What's the lower quartile? 7. Okay. What's the upper quartile? 11. What's the interquartile range? 11 minus 7. Answer 4. Okay. What can you say about these two data sets? Median is the same, we cannot say anything. Right? Range is the same, we cannot say anything. But can you see the interquartile range? Which one is bigger? 14, right? That means this is less consistent or it's more widespread. This one is what? More consistent or what? Less widespread. Okay? Now, how do I show it? Okay? That means all this data can tell me a lot of things. Alright? Now, can you all look at the next page, page 91? They plot it on a dot diagram. All of you look up. Can you see this is data set 1? Can you see it's like all over the place? Can you see how? How about this one? It's like more complicated over here, right? Then there are a few that is over here. These are actually called outliers. I think you heard this before when you're in Sec 2. Okay, what are outliers? That means that suddenly come out. I mean, it's 1 or 2 extreme values. Understand? Okay, so even from the dot diagram, we can see that this one is more consistent, right? Correct. But it's impossible to always go and plot the dot diagram, am I right? Okay, so let's look at the next part. What did we say? Can you look at this part here? Can you see the interquartile range is 40 for set A and interquartile range is 4 for set B? Can you see it? Now see what I highlighted. In other words, a smaller interquartile range. In other words, a smaller interquartile range means that the middle 15% of the data values are less spread out around the median and are more consistent compared to a larger interquartile. Page 2. I touched 2 days ago. Yeah, right. Okay, why do we say the middle 15%? Let me show you why. Now, why did we say the middle 50%? Do you agree that if I have a set of data, this is the median, right? Center. Lower quartile is here, right? Upper quartile is here, right? This is 25%, this is 75%. Do you agree down here is 50%? Because this is 25, 25, 25, 25. Can you see? Divided into 4 quarters. So this is the median 50. Okay, so if the data is widespread or not widespread, we look at the interquartile range. Okay, now median is always paired with interquartile range. When we go to the next part, mean is always paired with standard deviation. Understand? Don't confuse the two. Median is always paired with what? Interquartile range. Mean is always paired with standard deviation. Once I reach SD, standard deviation, we must use the calculator to calculate the mean. So everybody must have a calculator. Understand? Okay? Alright, good. So are we clear about this? Are we clear about this? Okay, right? Alright, good. Now, I have already finished until page 91. I want to look at below on page 91. So you see they give you the definition of range. Is largest value minus smallest value, and interquartile range is upper quartile minus lower quartile. Are we clear? Are we clear? Okay, good. Then I'm going to the first example, that is called example 2. Then I'm going to give you some homework, which is quite simple. Okay, let's take a look at this. Okay, I'm going to do it on the board. Alright. First of all, question say, the data below shows the number of books 8 students read. Find Q1, Q2, and Q3. What does Q1 stand for? Lower quartile. This one? Median, upper quartile. Okay? Now, first of all, we cannot do like that first. We must arrange it up. And they send it order first. Now, you must count. 8 students are so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There must be 8 books. So, write down. In ascending order, I will have which one? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So correct. Right? Now, 8 values. Where's my middle position? There's a lot of it. 8 values. Where's my middle position? Only 4. 4 and 5. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 5, right? Alright, so median will be 12 plus 12 divided by 2, answer 12, right? Lower quartile. Okay, this is the median. Lower quartile, how to find? Yes, what? How to find lower quartile? If it's chalk this way, this one here. 10 plus 11 divided by 2, understand? 10.5, alright? Or 10 and a half. What about the upper quartile? Say 13 plus 14 divided by 2, answer 13.5. Is that correct? Is that correct? But I use the word median, upper and lower quartile. The question asks for what? The question asks for what? Q1, Q2, and Q3. So don't have to remember. This one just means Q1. Sorry, Q1. Q2, right? Median. Lower quartile is what? Q1. This one? Q3. Everybody clear? Okay, now next, what the question asks for? The interquartile range. Now, interquartile range, don't use ITQ. Please. I don't want ITQ. Understand what? Spell out. Don't just give me the answer. Interquartile range is what? Minus what? Upper minus lower. So 13.5 minus 10.5. Answer 3. Cannot. What is the range? 17 minus 9. Answer? 8. So the range is 8. Are we clear? Are we clear? Okay. This is for the discrete values. That means when you have data and you are counting. Everybody okay so far? Okay. What's the number on your content page now? On Wednesday, what must you do? The 3A. Not corrections, it's 3A. That's corrections. Okay. Linear. Now, I'm just going to give you part of the question first, okay? Can you do exercise 3B, question 1, A, B, C, D? Find the range, lower quartile, median, upper quartile, and interquartile range. Yes, question 1, the whole thing. Is that all? Of course, that's not all. I haven't finished teaching. I only talk basically only. You think I'm so kind on there, huh? I'm not so kind. Am I right? Okay? So, let me present the first one for you so that you don't anyhow present your answer. Okay? Alright. 1A. Can you write down this? How many values? Answer. 7. How must you do first? Ascending. First one. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So correct. Okay. Now, first, I want you to find for me median. 7 values. What's the middle range? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one, right? 6. Lower quartile. Is this 3, right? So it's 4. But usually I like to draw like that, that I can see better. Okay. What is the upper quartile? 8. Can see that? Upper quartile is 8. Okay. So what is the interquartile range? Don't just give me 4. 8 minus 4 answer 4. I have not finished yet. There's one last part. What the question last one? Range. How to get range? Big minus smaller. So 10 minus 2. Answer 8. Can you present for me A to D in this manner? So that you will not get it wrong. Is everyone okay? If it's okay, continue with